All right. If it is not showing or not connecting, so I do recommend uh, you check with the security group or the firewall which you are using for your server and which you are using for your EFS, if that is correct or not. If the firewall rule or the security group is correct for you, then try creating one more Linux machine and it should work. Okay, try doing that. Otherwise, doing a troubleshooting is going to be difficult because you need to go and run certain Linux commands. Okay, that is going to be difficult for you to learn and do that. Okay, what's the default user? So you mean to say what is the default Linux user? So Amazon has created a EC2 user, which is a default user created by Amazon. Okay, so you can log in through this user and then elevate yourself to root. Or you can log in through this user and then elevate yourself to root. So Mukta Singh, it is still cannot connect. All right. So do you want to troubleshoot that? Do you want to check that? Do you want to share a screen with me? We can quickly figure it out that what you're missing. Okay. All right. Brilliant. So let me give you the permission so that you will be able to share your screen and we will quickly check that out that, if your configuration is good or not. Okay. Okay. So permissions are coming your way and okay, you are. All right. So, yep, we are able to see your screen. If you wish, you can use a microphone as well. Okay, that's going to be fine. Uh, we actually want to go back there to the security group, to the instances. Please click on the instance there on the top. Okay, select any of the Linux server. We want to confirm that which firewall you are using. Okay. All right, please click on security tab. Okay, and in the inbound rule, oh, where is the NFS? Okay, NFS is 2049. Okay, it does not mention the NFS, but the port number is there, and it is going to be allowed for all. So that looks perfect. Inbound is all good, and outbound is all ports are allowed there. You are good there. Okay, that is perfect. Now let's go and check the EFS. Let's go to the EFS tab. Um, you can go to the EFS page. Yep, that is correct. That is very nice. Can you please click here on the name of this EFS storage? Yeah, let's click and check the details here. Okay. Um, all right. So this looks good. Let's go and check it out, the access point and the network tab there below. Next to it. Yep. All right. This is very, very good. So we do have all the zones allowed and we do have the right security group or the firewall allowed over there. That is also very, very good. Let's click on the access point as well. Do we have any of the access point created there? No, that is good. That is fine. I think looks like the NFS settings are all good. We are all good here. Okay. Um, okay. And are you connected to any of these machines? Can you go and click on say connect? Mm-hmm. Oh, you are not able to connect to it. So is that the problem you are facing, or you have some other problem? Were you able to connect earlier or not? Oh, that's the problem. All right. So, okay, we are unnecessarily trying to troubleshoot that. Um, okay, wait a few minutes and try again there. That is fine. So what you can do, you can actually go and download one tool and you can use that tool to connect to it. Let's open a new tab. You are using Windows, right? So here, search for MOBA Xterm. There's one utility, MOBA Xterm, MOBA Xterm, the first one there on the top. Yep. Um, yep. Let's go to the download. We will download the Home Edition, Free Edition, and Portable is okay. We don't have to install that. It's a very small client software which is going to help you connect the remote Linux machines, and we don't have to go and install that one. So that's really a great tool. I think it's going to be good to know that we do have this tool existing, which is going to help you connect to the Linux machines. Okay. Okay. So looks like it's almost done. Ask us the details at which server we want to connect to. Okay. So let's go and click on the session there on the top on the left. Uh, yep, the very first icon. And then we're going to select that we want to have an SSH session, right? Yep. And remote host, we need to go and copy the public IP and put it here. Let's copy this one. Yep. And let's add it here. So in the username, you can specify the username. We can call EC2 dash user. Yep. And then we'll come to the advanced SSH settings. Okay. And this is where we need to select the checkbox where it says use the private key. Okay. And in the next tab, there is a small icon, locate the key, browse it. Click on that, browse it, and provide the key wherever you have downloaded. Okay, yep, that is great. And we have the key as well. Let's say okay. All right, it says network error and permissions are denied. Okay. Uh, Before we troubleshoot this further, can you show me what the IP address is? Let me go and try connecting it from my end once. Okay, let me note it down here. Uh, it is 30, which does not allow you to go and consume or connect to the outside world. Okay, that is the reason. So, is this laptop belong to your organization, to your office? So they might have some antivirus software installed on it, so you cannot connect to any of the remote machine. Okay, that is the reason it's not does not allow you. Okay. Okay. Yeah, even though you're using external network, still this machine will not allow you to connect to the other remote machines. Okay. That is the endpoint protection, which most of the organization do that. Okay. All right. Sorry about that. You were not able to go and connect to that in that way. Okay. So would you please pass on the rights back to me? you can locate